Hello, welcome on the Thoughts on Education campaign. So we would like to we would want a small brief from your end.
Uh, if I say I belong to Rajasthan, I did my graduation from there, and then I did my post graduation from Maharashtra, and then finally I came to Gujarat, and my higher education I did from Ahmedabad, Gujarat University, my PhD, and net I cleared here also. So basically, I have roamed around various places and cities, and since 2012, I've been teaching to the various colleges and I've been working with industry. I had worked in the industry previously and in admin also. This is my kind of profile. Institutions like Gujarat National Law University, like KS School of Management, PK School of Management, Nirma University. I've been associated with all these universities all these years.
Okay, my first question is being a faculty of SAL MBA program, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
See, apart from the teaching academics, I feel that as a teacher we can nurture our generation. So I feel that this is my moral responsibility. That apart from the course curriculum, I should impart some kind of moral skills, moral ethical things, how to be better person in the class. So I try to devote some time, to teach them something that we should do this, we should not do this kind of thing. So that gradually this will be the process to make them a very better person, right? And I would want them to acquire some of the skills like current affairs, presentation skills. I put forward my views gradually.
Okay, that's so nice of you, ma'am. My next question is how do you tend to establish healthy relations with the students and fellow faculty?
Yeah, it is very, very important because they should confide in you. See, in higher education, it is the tendency that we just go to the class and we deliver our lectures and then game is over, right? But I believe that students should come after the class. They should come with their problems. You should mentor them, right? That kind of relationship, that kind of trust you can have with them, right? And whenever there is a need, you should always be there, especially in crucial times. So I have always maintained my relationship with the students as well as my colleagues at the workplace. Yes.
So my next question is how do you try to bring in a practical approach towards the subjects and make it industry oriented?
In management studies, it is very important because theoretical aspect will be very boring, right? You have to always link with the practical aspects of life. So what I do, I will bring in recent examples of the industry, what is happening all around. I would bring latest case studies or articles or some kind of videos of entrepreneurs or big industrialists. All kind of things I do. Just try to impart them that it is not a theoretical subject; it's a practical subject. We should learn what is happening all around.
Great, ma'am. So what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which help them gain necessary skills?
Yeah. See, it is very important for the industry point of view that students should be presentable. Students should have better communication skills. They should be able to speak in public, right? Presentation skills, team building things, all these things should be very important. So what we do, gradually time to time we organize sessions for all these things to the students. Then research is really very important area nowadays. So we impart research seriously, research aptitude in them, and we try to organize SIPs. We try to send them to the industry to learn them how industry is working, what are the requirements of the industry, right? We should mold their mindset towards the industry, kind of.
That's really amazing, ma'am. My next question is what are your views upon the placements and higher education about the students from your department?
I see the placements of our institution. I mean, it is at par with any of the university of Ahmedabad because our management or placement cell has been doing a lot of effort to bring in companies from the industry, right? Time to time sessions are being conducted and placement people are always in touch with them. They communicate, they take follow-ups, and people are companies are definitely coming to our institution, and we are very much satisfied with the efforts of the placement cell.
Okay, my last question from our mind. When you come to the college, what was your vision and how are you trying to achieve the same?
See, as a teacher, the most important reason is to impart quality education, right? And you cannot quantify the quality. Yeah, but the thing is that we should always, strive to attain quality in terms of, whatever small things you are doing in the class, lecture preparation, right? Or, talking to the students. You always try to do the things with your heart, with your mind, and with your all the skills you are having, just to have connect with them, so that they can understand the value or importance of this education. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. That's it from our side. If you want to add something in the last for the students who are going to join this SAL.
For coming students, um, I would like to tell them that firstly, you should choose a management college, because the reason should be you should be interested in management studies or you want to enter into the industry. Second, uh, you should come with the right kind of attitude when you join the college, because this is not another degree. This is a professional degree, and after this degree, on the basis of this degree, you are going to enter the industry, and that will decide your entire future, right? So bring that kind of attitude and join the institute, and put in a lot of hard work. Definitely, you are going to achieve more heights into your career. Okay, so that's what I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you for your insight, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much.